This is Michael Babin, and he sold his company for $1 billion.
Heard $1 billion.
Pay $1 billion for Dollar Shave Club.
So many times we talk about what someone has achieved.
9.58, the world record! Jordan!
But we don't talk enough about what brought them there. This is Michael's journey to building $1 billion company. 8 years before launching Dollar Shave Club, Michael was doing 3 things that would be crucial when launching the razor company. First one was creating video content. Doing marketing for big companies like Nike, Gatorade or Nintendo showed him how storytelling can help you create a deep connection with your audience. The second of these things was taking improv lessons. His inner motivation was to learn comedy basics and end up working for Saturday Night Live. Spoiler alert, he never made it to Saturday Night Live, but the skills he learned in those lessons became key later in his career. The third thing was creating a social network for travelers. Through it, Michael learned the importance of product market fit. Even though the startup was not successful, all the skills he was gradually sharpening would be the key to his success later on. In his late 20s, Michael got laid off from the company where he worked. At that time, he was dating a girl in California, so he used that chance to move to Los Angeles. It was during a party in LA where he met Mark Levin. Mark was working as an importer and he heard that Michael had a background in marketing. So he told Michael about some razors he just imported and asked him if he would be willing to team up to sell them. You know, sometimes opportunities just pass in front of you and you just need to be brave enough to take them. And that's exactly what Michael did. Michael quickly thought of 2 problems in the razor industry. 1. How overpriced razors are, and 2. How frustrating the buying experience can be. He envisioned a new way of doing things and decided to put them to test. He then used Google Ads to attract people to the website and learn what worked and what didn't. Through several iterations, he came up with the product that we came to know, a razor subscription model for $1 a month. Now the challenge was how to reach a larger audience and grow the company. In 2012, Michael was working on a video to explain what the company was about. It was at that moment where his improv skills would pay off. You know, Michael was not aiming to make a viral video, but he knew very well the concept of growth hacking and how it can help you increase your user base. He knew that on March 6th there would be a press release going out explaining how DSC secured a $1 million investment, and he decided to publish the video on that same day, hoping that blogs would use it to illustrate the press release. On that day, he went to YouTube, he pushed the publish button, and it became an instant success.
Tell you the power of the internet and the power of connecting with the consumer. He got 12,000 subscribers in the first day he was online, and now he has had over 10 million hits.
After the video went viral, the company's revenue skyrocketed. New competitors like Harry's came into play, but that wasn't enough to stop Dollar Shave Club's growth. In the meantime, the company launched new products with better margins, which helped them grow their revenue year after year. Until in 2016, Unilever saw an opportunity in acquiring Dollar Shave Club, and the rest is history. This was the journey of Michael Babin to build a $1 billion company. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe if you would like to see more content like this, and see you next time.